Time is 11:51. 80. And man, that's born out of our tree. But video Jenny. I just thought of an idea now. Should we go down to the room? What do you mean? Or how about watch that movie? But don't shrug your shoulders at me. Shall we go down to the river? But don't shrug your shoulders, mate. Oh, do you want to go down to the river or not? How about that movie? Nate, how about that movie? Answer me, please! Now don't shrug your shoulders! Yes or no? Don't shrug your shoulders! Don't try and copy me. Oh! You know who that sticks in you? Oh, don't shrug your shoulders. You've been texting that person all day this morning. So who is it? Don't shrug your shoulders. Do you want to go down to the river? Don't shrug your shoulders. Do you want to go down to the river or not? Oh, that's just that. You're shrugging your shoulders all the time. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether you want to go down to the river, watch a movie, be an idiot. I don't know what you want to do. You might as well just stop recording me. Look what you made me do. I cannot believe you told me this angry.